we're gonna open this. I don't typically go live in the middle of the day. Oh, yeah, I don't typically go live in the middle of the day because life's crazy and busy. But I got a special package. I'm gonna open it up. See what we got. Oh my goodness. Okay. Hide this. Keep people's private information private. Wash and care guide. T-shirt printing UK. What do we got? Oh, look at that. Got that aside. Are you singing in your mic? We got a Howie hamster shirt. Look how nice that is. Very nice. I didn't even know you had these kinds of shirts, Howie. I didn't even know you had these kinds of shirts. That's awesome. And there's something else in the box. Yes. Hello, Howie. I forgot to say hi to you. I'm sorry. We got some Aero bar. It's a golden honeycomb Aero bar. I don't even think they sell these here. Never seen them. I've never seen that kind here before. That one. Blake.
I want, Mommy. I want.
You want to share?
Yeah, I want one of these.
And hazelnut chocolate bar.
I want one of those.
You had it made? Well, that was very sweet of you, Howie. Oh, careful. We got another flake.
Here, Mommy.
No, we don't. I didn't think so. Thank you.
Welcome.
And a dairy milk caramel bar. Dairy milk orange flavor. That's the first time I'm seeing that. Wow. And there we go. That's it. So Howie was very nice and sent me a wonderful, amazing shirt. I just love it. Got a Howie hamster and his logo and Howie hamster on the bottom. And a whole bunch of chocolate bars. Got the kids excited. So thank you so much, Howie. Thank you. That was awesome. Opened it. Try a few pieces. Here, I've never tried this kind before. Try the Aero bar? Okay. The golden honeycomb. You want to try a piece with me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Chocolate.
Chocolate. Oh, wow. It smells really good. This has a coffee smell to it. You want to try a piece? You want to try a piece? Try the piece of this one. Oh, look. The inside. Like white. Whitish, yellowish. How is it? Good? Mmm. Definitely tastes the honey. You want to try the orange one? Yeah? This is... Hello, Melvin. Let me know if that's too loud. It's going up in the red. Oh, that was sweet. For you.
Our.
Tastes like those chocolate oranges. You know, the chocolate oranges they sell at Christmas time? That's what this tastes like. Tastes just like it. There, you guys, go subscribe to Howie